Nest Wi-Fi ports not working, Ethernet cable check fix. If your Nest Wi-Fi Ethernet ports are not working, start by checking the cable and connection order. Unplug and firmly reconnect the Ethernet cable. One end should go into the one port of your primary Nest router and the other to your modem or upstream device. Test the cable on another device like laptop to confirm it's not faulty. Next, reboot both the modem and Nest router by unplugging for 30 seconds. If the secondary node Ethernet backhaul isn't detected, try using Cat6 or higher cable and avoid using switches until the link is verified. You can also factory reset the router if no port lights respond. Once restored, reconnect and check the Google Home app, Wi-Fi devices to confirm the wired link is active. So that's it.